Hi, Namaste. Today we are discussing about Pitbull token. The Pitbull token is a community token released on March 17th, 2021. The Pitbull token total supply is 1 lakh trillion coins. The total supply is 1 lakh trillion coins and 57 lakh trillion coins are already burned. Total, the current supply is 42 lakhs trillions only present supply. The market capital of Pitbull token is 52 lakhs 85,578 dollars. The total holders at present is 2 lakhs 50,000 present holders. The present price of Pitbull is as per dollar 0.124822. Actually, as per Indian price, it is also 0.000000001, and it is the 2% of redistribute to the all holders. If you holding the Pitbull coins, you can reflect all redistribute. You can gain redistribution coins on redistribution coins. You can also hold. You can also buy on Pancake Swap or PitSwap, or you can also buy on some Heartbeat and IndoX and Whitebit and Coin Tiger. It is also listed on Heartbeat, Index, different exchanges, and you can also buy on Pancake Swap. You can also check the transactions on BSC Scan. Uh, at present, it is a coin market capital website. You can also check the Indian price 0.00000001. Am 0.001. The highest price is 0.000013. It is released on Binance Smart Chain. You can buy on Binance Smart Chain on Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Actually, it's a good project. Already the Pitbull token, the company already released PitSwap, just like Pancake Swap. You can also swap your tokens on PitSwap using Pancake Swap, just like a Pancake Swap and Uniswap and SushiSwap. You can also swap your tokens using PitSwap. Already Pitbull also working on charts. It is also released recently released on PitChart, and it is also working on different projects. Oh, my suggestion is you can buy only a small amount of money, and you can hold for further 2 to 3 years or 4 years. It is just a small amount of money, and it is working on different types of projects. Actually, you can check the more details on coin market capital. It is also at present volumes are also high, 7.69 million trading volumes at present. Okay. You can how you can buy on Pancake Swap or a Trust Wallet. Just open the Trust Wallet app and click on D apps. You can use PitSwap or Pancake Swap. I'm showing you Pancake Swap and PitSwap. First we can check on Pancake Swap. Just open the Pancake Swap and connect your Binance Smart Chain, and type your BNB values. I want to just check 0.001. You can reflect the price, and you can select the token, Pitbull token. It is available on Pit. You can type the Pitbull. Okay, the values you can change the slippage to, try to change the first. You can change the slippage to 3%, and then next, if you fail, if the transaction is failed, you can change the percentage from 3, 4, 5, 6 at from 3 to 12%, and click on swap. Okay, after completion of swapping, close the Pancake Swap and check your wallet. automatically the Pitbull tokens are displayed on your wallet. Okay, how you can buy on PitSwap? Just open on the apps, click on PitSwap. Sorry. Here is the PitSwap link available on the Pitbull community website. You can click on Pitbull community website. You can check the links. You can check PitChart, Pit Tracker, Pit Farming. You can also farm your tokens. You can also swap your tokens. Click on Go Swap and copy the address. Copy the address and open the Pancake Swap and click on D apps and paste the website address. It's just like Pancake Swap. You can connect your wallet, smart chain wallet. You can type BNB values just like same as Pancake Swap. After clicking swap, after confirmation of a swap, you can the Pitbull tokens will be displayed in your wallet. If you have any doubts or if you want any review about any coins or whatever you want, comment and please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for visiting. Thank you.